guys, this is Nesty from girlonthemattress.com. I sleep on a lot of mattresses and I review and test them for you. So today we're going to unbox the Brooklyn Bedding's brand new signature hybrid model mattress. Maybe you know Brooklyn Bedding had this best mattress ever for a while. A lot of fans, people love it. I got it and I slept more than 2 months on the signature because it was so good. Now I got the one with the hybrid model. So instead of putting the high density foams at the base, they changed them with the individually wrapped coils. We'll see the performance. This video you're watching now is the unboxing. We're gonna have fun unboxing the mattress, and the next video we're gonna talk everything you need to know about the mattress. And definitely always remember the complete review and reviews and comparisons and everything about the mattress industry to help you sleep better. It's on my site, girlonthemattress.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more goodies and videos like this. So let's go unbox the Brooklyn Bedding brand new signature hybrid mattress.